Hello, Pepper here. Welcome to the Peptide Breakdown. Reconstituting peptides isn't complicated, but precision matters. One small mistake can affect stability, dosing, and results. Today, we are breaking down the process of reconstituting peptides. Start with a clean, controlled setup. You'll need your peptide vial, bacteriostatic water, a sterile syringe, and alcohol swabs. First, sanitize the tops of both vials. This step is simple, but it's non-negotiable. Draw your bacteriostatic water using a sterile syringe. Stay precise with your measurement. If you're reconstituting with 2 ml of bacteriostatic water, that equals 200 units total. Using a standard 1 ml syringe, 100 units, you'll need to fill it twice. Inject slowly down the side of the vial, never directly onto the powder. This helps minimize foaming and protects the peptide. Gently swirl or roll the vial as the water enters. Let it dissolve naturally. Continue to swirl or roll until fully dissolved. No shaking, ever. That can damage the peptide. Once reconstituted, refrigerate immediately and use within the recommended time frame. Simple, controlled, precise. That's how you handle peptides.